Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to prepare jeera rice, which is like rice made with cumin seeds. It will be a very simple recipe for the beginners. So first of all, as you can see, I have taken a glass full of rice, and now I'm going to soak the rice for 30 minutes after washing them. And the benefits of soaking the rice are so many. First of all, when you soak the rice, you can see after making the rice, your grains will not stick with each other, and apart from that, it renders more nutrients in your body when you soak the rice prior to cooking. Okay, let's begin. This is my washed rice, and now I'm going to add 2 glasses of water to soak my rice. So this is my second glass of water. So now I leave the rice for at least 20 minutes or maximum 30 minutes, and after that we will cook them. One thing you always have to remember, and it is that whenever you want to cook a rice, always measure the quantity of the rice. For example, if it is 1 glass of rice, then the water will be double. So if I'll cook 1 glass of rice, then I'll put 2 glasses of water in it. So never ever make the rice without measuring, because then you won't be able to measure the water and your rice will not turn out good. So in my recommendation, always measure the rice first. Yes, I soaked the rice for 30 minutes and now they are ready to cook. So I am using this kadai. You can take any pan which you have at home, and I turned on the gas. Now I'm putting 1 tablespoon of canola oil. You can use olive or whatever you have at your home. And I'm using 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. You can use any brand of cumin seeds, that's no problem at all. So let the oil heat a little bit. Home chefs always remember that the oil should not be too much hot, because otherwise your seeds will be not cooked, it will be overcooked, and the flavor of the real cumin seed won't be good in your rice. So we don't need too much hot oil, we just need the medium. And to check it, you can put your hand over it, not in the kadai, not in the pan, just over it, and just see if it is hot. Now it seems hot, so I'm putting 2 teaspoons. And as you can listen, it already started popping. Now I'm going to slow the flame. I'm going to add the water which we used to soak it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. You can add according to your taste, but 1 teaspoon is recommended to enhance the flavor of the rice. Now I'm going to high the flame again, and I'm going to wait till first boil. After first boil, I'm going to take a lid and I'm going to cover the rice on slow flame for 10 minutes. Let's wait for the first boil. First boil will be on high flame, please remember that. You can see the boiling has already started, and after the first boil, put a bit more weight and then put the flame on slow mode. it's done. Now I'm going to slow the flame and cover it with the lid, and I'm going to leave them for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we will open the lid. Hey home chefs, 10 minutes are over, and as you can see the rice is properly cooked. So now I will switch off the gas. You can see the size of the rice, it's bigger because we soaked the rice for 10 or like 30 minutes. Now you can serve the rice with any curry, whatever you like. Home chefs, our rice is ready, and now you can serve them with any curry, whatever you like. Thank you for watching the video.